everybody. Today I'm going to make a background using this pattern paper, and I'm going to make a background for this image. Now the items I'm going to use, or the stamps I'm going to use, is this one, and it comes from this foliage here. It's called French foliage, and I'm using that one. I'm using the dots here. I'm going to use the leaf that's here. This leaf comes from another single stamp set I got. It's not a set, it's just stamp that I got from a long time ago. And I'm using this image here, which is here. Okay, what I'm going to use are stamps ink from Sahara Sand, Crumb Cake, Mint Macaron, Blushing Bride. And I'm just going to try to do a background using those stamps. If I have to ink off, because I don't want it heavy, I want this to be a background because my image must stand out. Okay, first I'm going to start with, let's start with the crumb cake. If it's too busy, we'll see how it is here. Okay. Okay, see how it goes. Okay. Now this stamp came from, let me see, Hampton Arts. Next I'm going to use the little dots here, which are larger. Okay. Then I'm going to change to the Sahara Sand, and I will use the little writing. Let's see how that is. Okay. I don't want it to be heavy at all. Then the next image I'm going to use is this little leaf here. And next I'll use this image, which is another leaf. And I think I'm going to use sort of this greenish mint macaron. No, what is this? Yeah, mint macaron. Okay. It's really heavy. Okay. And next, I'm going to use this green, this leaf with the same green. Okay, now I'm going to add a bit of this pink blushing bride in it. And I'm going to use this leaf. And wipe it some more. Okay. 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 Now let me get myself situated because I have to cut this and get my other paper that I'm going to use, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I actually got 2 sheets out of that, and they were originally 9 by 7.5, so I had some waste, but I got 2 sheets out of that. And I found a green, which is sort of what we have in here, that I'm going to layer it with. So I'm going to use some glue. Okay. This will give me the opportunity to see if I can get it straight as I can with the glue. And before I layered it on my card, I'm going to use this ribbon here. I've already added some double-sided tape on the back of it, and I'm going to take that off and try to see if I can add it to that. Doesn't look like it wants to come off. Let me see. Might be a little bit intimidating and hard to achieve, but I'm going to try. Okay. There we are. I'm going to add it here at an angle like this. Now I'm not going to fold it over. I'm actually going to cut it because I do not want it to be bulky. Okay. I'm going to add it to my card. Using some more glue. And then to the base. Then I'm going to add this here. But I'm using some glue dots on here. Sort of straddle it over this, so I won't actually get that in the middle. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, and I'm not going to put a saying on it because I'm not sure what I'm going to use this card for. So it'll be just in my stash waiting for the opportunity to be used. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked the card. This image came from Clarity Stamps that I've had for quite a long time. So I don't know if they are available, but if they are still, I will put it at the bottom of this video. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know. And please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again next week. Thank you. Bye.